Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about fix-based water damage restoration service in Los Angeles. 911 Restorations of West Los Angeles. 911 Restorations of West LA offers full service of water damage restoration service that will give you security after a disaster with 24/7 access. We offer water damage restorations and reconstructions as well as mold removal and fire and smoking damage reconstructions, and all other services can help keep your place clean through the outbreak of coronavirus. The techs follow the CDC protocols and are trained professionally to clean and disinfect your premises. Pipe bursts and floor damage can all happen in all time. Absolute maintenance and consulting. We have the experience to resolve any problem, no matter how large your premier service has been provided to Los Angeles and Orange County for many years. Absolute maintenance and consulting offer top quality leak detection and mold remediation service in Los Angeles and surrounding areas. Absolute Maintenance and Consulting is a trusted name in leak detections, waterproofing and mold repair. We have been serving the Los Angeles area for 30 years. 911 Restorations of the San Fernando Valley. 911 Restorations of San Fernando Valley offers complete water damage restorations service that will give you security after an emergency with 24/7 access. We offer water damage restorations and reconstructions as well as mold removal, fire, smoking damage reconstructions and all other service. We can help keep our place to clean throughout and break coronavirus. The techs follow DCC